Hi there. So today I will explain you how you can work with opacity in your textures in Substance Painter. Okay, so I have open here the J-Toad scene. It's one by default from Substance. You can open here on Open Sample. And to apply opacity in Substance Painter is actually very simple. Just a couple of steps. Okay, so I have opened one of the default scenes from Substance, the Jaded Toe here. And now I kind of want to make his eyes transparent, right? So, which means I have to create an opacity map to do a transparency, right? Okay, so I will create a fill layer, but in my fill layer, I don't have any channel that says opacity. So none of these channels will generate transparency, you know? Okay, so basically what I have to do is to go to my shader settings, and the shader by default is PBR Metal Rough, and I want to add a shader that will use transparency. In this case, PBR Metal Rough with alpha blending. Okay, for now you don't need anything else. The next step will be to go to Texture Set Settings, and in your channels you want to add a new one that will be opacity. Okay, so now you will have to turn on the opacity channel on your fill layer. You can deactivate the other ones because you only want opacity, and here you can set the values you want for your opacity. So black will be completely transparent, this will be a 50-50, and this will be completely opaque. Okay, so since we want to do it on the eyes, the best solution for me will be to create a mask, and on a mask add a paint layer, and then basically is, oh sorry, I actually forgot to make it transparent. Okay, so back to the paint layer, and now you want to draw the eyes, and you see now you can see through, and that's your opacity. Okay. You can also apply some roughness to make it more reflective. And yeah, see? And you can make it less transparent if you want as well. And now it's more glossy. Again, you can also use a fill layer, a pattern checker, for example. And will work the same. Something that I think probably is best is in your fill layer, you actually want to go full transparent, and then in your mask you can control the transparency by the values. So for example, if you add like levels, you can say that you want less black, and the result will be the same. Okay, so you actually do that just in case you want to add different values of transparency through your object. I'll give you an example. So if you go to your grayscale and you go 50% transparent, you can actually paint it out here, and this part of the eye now is just 30% transparent. You can go here, and now you have It's weird. And you can also, if you go now to your mask, to opacity mask, sorry, you'll have different values through the eye. Do the same here. Awesome. Yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.